In this video, you will program the robot to move until its touch sensor is pressed. To do this, you will turn the robot's motors on, leave them on while waiting for the touch sensor to be pressed, then stop them. Create a new project and program.
Alright, so in this video we are going to do what you just saw. We're going to have it run forward, wait until it bumps into something, and then stop moving. So our program from before just waited and then it started the motors. We're going to modify this program so that the motors start on and then it waits until the touch sensor is pressed and then the motors turn off. So let's get rid of our motor one right now. Let's leave this pause until touch one press because we know we're going to need that. But for motors, let's say steer motors. This block here, by default, steer motors B and C with turn ratio 0, that's straight ahead, at speed 50%. If I don't click plus here, it's just always going to turn on and continue running forever. So I'm going to leave it like this. This just says turn on both of the motors and put them straight. Then we can say wait until touch 1 gets pressed. And this is going to turn on the motors and then immediately wait until the touch sensor gets pressed. The motors will stay moving forward because we just told them turn on. What we need to do now is say once the touch 1 has been pressed, turn off the motors. So in the motors category, find the block that says stop all motors and put it at the end. The other nice thing we haven't really talked about this is you have a little simulator here on the side. So you can look at this simulator to see like both wheels are moving, they're still moving. And if I click here on the touch sensor, it turns those motors off. So you can test your programs before you download it onto your EV3. Let's download it over for right now though. Let's give it a new name. So move until touch is what I'll call this. Then download it and follow the same instructions to get it onto your EV3. Run it and see if it works. You should have now an obstacle, not necessarily avoiding, but an obstacle sensitive robot that stops when it bumps into something.